Good morning, it's Thursday. This is Guru's Tech Bytes, episode 116. First up, some guy made this open-source engine that runs Gemma 426B in 2G bolts of RAM on any M-series Mac. I don't know what a Gemma is. Sounds like the lady who cuts my hair, but fitting a robot brain into 2 gigs is wild. That's like packing a summer sausage into a pencil sharpener. It reminds me of when Microsoft forced an update on my PC and suddenly my whole hard drive was full of telemetry and regret. Sure, okay, that's something. Anyway, this Gemma thing runs smooth, so good for them. Second, we got this thing called Superlogical. I'm not entirely sure what it does, which is how I feel about half the stuff in my kitchen, but folks seem to really like it. You know what this reminds me of? That time Brian tried to explain logic to me after I got my hand stuck in the vending machine. He's all, "Peter, gravity dictates." And I'm like, "Brian, the Cheez-its are right there, just reach in." But this Superlogical probably just makes the internet go fast, so I'm all for it. Third, somebody found the coolest use for the Vision Pro. You know, those big goggles Apple makes you strap to your face so you can pretend you're not sitting in your living room in your underwear? Turns out people are using them for all sorts of neat stuff. I probably just use them to watch Jeopardy while I'm driving, which I'm not allowed to do since the incident, but that's neither here nor there. It's neat. Folks are finding real uses for it instead of just looking like bubs wandering around downtown. And finally, there's this Kimi K3 256K. I think it's another one of those AI doohickeys. 256K. That's like when I used to listen to tapes on my Walkman in the 80s, except this reads a whole lot of words really fast. It probably reads the internet while I'm still trying to open a new tab on Internet Explorer. Last time I tried that, it just told me my PC is infected and to buy a new Windows license, so I kicked the tower instead. Kimmy sounds a lot smarter than my computer. That's your Daily Bite. Have a great day. Until next time.